Hello friends, welcome into the Guess the Remedy. So today I am going to share a case of 23 years old man having complaints of psoriasis. So he is having these psoriatic eruptions since 1 year. So started from lower extremities, then hands, then abdomen, back. Now all over the body he is having the psoriatic eruption except his face. He is having lot of itching, burning and occasional bleeding on these eruptions. With that he has lot of white scales are there on these eruptions. So these eruptions are there from since 1 year. I did not get any obvious cause or anything before this or how this started. I tried to ask, but he was not able to tell exactly. uh, but all these the itching, he has having the severe itching, and that itching increases in the night, especially after midnight he gets the severe itching. That is the one modality I could get. He is not having any other associated complaints. In physical general also there are no very characteristic symptoms. His thermal state is also not very strong, but he has a characteristic mind state, mental state, and I thought energy is there. We can find something there, right? So he said, I got a job recently and I'm having financial problems. uh, I'm having the responsibility of my family. I'm the elder son, and my father has lot of expectations from me, right? So I'm always worried how to provide them the money, how to provide them all things. So I'm always worried about that, but I never share my worries with my friends, because my friends has broken my trust. I have helped my friends. I have given financial help. I have given them support. But at the end, my friends have cheated me. Okay. So now I try to solve my problem alone. I never share it with my friends. Okay. So he said, sometimes I think why this is happening with me. I always try to do good things. I always try to help others. I always try to help my friends. But at the end, what happened? My close friend cheated me. They have broken my trust. Okay. So now I'm all alone. Now I'm all alone to fight with my problems. I cannot trust anybody. So this is the one thing he said. Next he said, I have lot of trust on God also. I do lot of for God also. Okay. And I don't know why he is also doing with me, doing this with me. I'm suffering from psoriasis. I'm having all over the body these eruptions, and whatever is happening with me, God wants to happen with me, right? So he said, whenever you do some mistake, whenever you do anything wrong, God let you happen something with you, right? And in my case, in my eruptions also, God wants to happen this with me. So that was his mind state. And in that also he said, the next he shared his dreams. In his dreams also he shared, he gets a characteristic very particular dream. In that he is giving the exam, and after the exam result comes out, everybody gets a good marks, but he gets the less marks. In that also he has the feeling, why this is happening with me? Everybody is getting good marks, but I'm not getting good marks in spite of doing good studies. Okay. So this is the dream. Then I asked about the impact of disease on him. So in that he said, I'm having eruption all over the body. So whenever I go into the people in society, people get little bit scared, or they keep distance from me. He is having some big problem, some skin disease, so they keep distance. So I try to hide my skin eruptions. I always wear a full sleeve, full pant. I never wear the shorts or t-shirt. And whenever I want to go out, or I never go to outing, or I never go to the guest home, so they will realize that I have some problem. So I always try to hide my problem, and that creates the restriction, or that creates the hindrance from going me to the society or get mingled in the people. That is the problem he has. So these are the highlighting point in the case. So analyze the case, get your references, and guess the remedy. Thank you.